In this video, I'm going to be looking at Next.js 15, and in particular, what we're going to be looking at is a crash course on Next.js 15, and we will be creating this travel app over here. So we are using Next.js 15 with TypeScript and also Tailwind for your styling. So on the homepage, we can click Let's Go. This will then fetch an API that we will create for all of our travel destinations. You can see here we have a list of all of the 10 locations that we have here, and we also have reviews. So if we click into reviews as well, we will be using Next.js server actions to be able to fill in this form and populate a review. We will also be looking at performance enhancements such as incremental static regeneration and so on. We will also, everything in this video, we will be creating as our own APIs within the project. So you can see here we've deployed this and we get a certain URL. So in Vercel, we will deploy everything and you get everything set up for you. So when we commit our changes, we can then automatically publish to Vercel. The topics covered in this video are here, which is we'll set up the Next.js project. We're going to use the app router in this project instead of the pages router. We will be creating dynamic APIs. So in this scenario here, we have destinations, which is our APIs that we create with route handlers. We will fetch data in server components as well, and we will show you how to use that. Along with that, the dynamic routing with ID. So in our app itself, if we go onto our destinations, let's say, for example, I wanted more information on New York, I can click into here to view more details, and then this will call the dynamic API, so the id.tsx API. And if you inspect in here, first of all, in our network tab, if I just quickly refresh the page, we will get an API to destinations over here. So that's what we'll be covering in this. And along with that, we'll build our own custom 404 page and implement not found invalid pages. So if we have any invalid pages, then we can use the not found function for that. The header component, which is just your client side component, your Tailwind styling over here. And then along with that, we'll be using environment variables so we can manage our API URLs securely. So this is all done with Vercel. We'll deploy with Vercel. We'll also add in middleware for any request processing. So we'll show you how to use the middleware.ts file in Next.js 15. And then finally, what we're going to be looking at is React server actions. In particular, to do with the reviews, we will be explaining what they are in the React server actions and how they improve performance. We will also use our server actions on our form that we have in our reviews page as well over here. So that is everything in this Next.js crash course. So let's get started with the build.